Our school has turned into a haunted forest, and we are completely lost. I can't even recognize where we are anymore. Any ideas on how to get out of here?
Just exploring a haunted
Maybe there's a
gymnasium,
way
not
back if
ending
we
up in an
backtrack.
actual
But everything
haunted
here looks
forest.
so
Any
different.
landmarks we might
And
recognize.
there's I don't remember passing this tree
I
about
noticed
the way
that
the
too,
shadows are
Yuki.
moving.
We need
It's
to
as
keep
if
moving.
It's like the
forest is
forest
And
moving.
we
itself
don't
is
know
alive.
what
We
kind
need
of
to stick
supernatural
We should look for
entities
signs
may
or
lurk in
paths
this
that might lead
Agreed.
us out of here.
We'll be extra
And if we
careful.
have to,
Avoid any
we can
suspicious
always leave
areas
markers
and
to help us
find our
clues
way
how to get
back
out
if
from
we end
here.
up going in circles. Sakura, you won't believe what I just found out.
and I were
Our
researching
school
the
used to be a
school's history
graveyard
to
to
figure
figure out
serious?
more
No
about
wonder
the
they're
headless
incredibly
ghost.
creepy. Why would
And
they
guess
build a
what?
school
Let's
on a
uncover
graveyard?
our school's dark
Let's find the
past and
graveyard and
figure
solve
out
this
how to
mystery.
solve
Watch
this
out for the
mystery.
ghost!
Sarah, this can't be right.
It's
I mean,
like
where
we've wandered
are we?
into some kind
And
of
worst place
haunt
doesn't
vault
look
or
anything
anything
like
I
our
know,
school.
Yuki. It's like the
I never
school
thought I'd
just
say this,
disappeared,
but
and
I
now
miss
we're
the
stuck
school
all
can't shake
we
off
should
the
look for
feeling that
signs
we're
or
being
paths
watched
that
that
might
might
lead
lead
us
us
out.
out.
We
We
need
know
to
our
stay
way
smart
around.
and
We should look for
resourceful.
signs
We'll
or
find our
paths.
way. There is a note here. Haruka, what are you doing here on the
But
grave?
not in
felt
the
your
way we used to
determination.
be.
I don't know where to
You're
start.
need to
I
uncover
feel like
this
there's something
truth.
crucial
Trying to
hidden
uncover
here.
our
I will
ways.
show you
You need to
something
get out
everything
from
is
here.
shrouded in
Before
This grave, no way.
Wait, these graves' names. It has our names engraved. No, this can't be. Do we already dead?
What is going
this
on? How can
our
these
final
graves have
resting
our
What
names?
is the meaning
Do
of
we
this, Haruka?
already dead?
I found our names on these graves, dated several years ago. It seems we were victims of an accident, and our
So
souls
you say
have
that
been
we
lingering
died,
here since
and
then.
our souls are
So
trapped
we've
here,
been
unable to
ghosts
move
all
on.
along.
I don't understand.
Wandering the school
How do we end up
This
here?
is too much to take in.
Dead yet unaware
We
of
were
our
living
fate.
our lives,
This has to be a
completely
prank,
unaware of
right?
our tragic fate. How did we become like this?
I see. I think I know what is going on here. We have to figure out why our souls are
Right.
bound here.
We
and
need to
find a
confront
way
our
to move
past,
on.
Let's
uncover the
explore
truth
Let's return
about
to
our
our
deaths,
school.
and find
The sun
answers.
will rise
memories and uncover the mystery that keeps us here.